friends, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to make delicious and simple pancake. Which pancake we are going to make, Afshin?
Apple pancake.
Okay, let's go.
Yes.
Come, let's go. Ingredients needed for making apple pancake is chopped apple, 1 cup of maida, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon butter, 3 1/4 lukewarm milk. Add 1 butter to the mixing bowl. Add powdered sugar. Mix it nicely. Like this, you have to mix it nicely. Then you add lukewarm milk. Then you have to mix it well. Then let's prepare the dry ingredients. First, let's put the baking powder into maida. Then mix it well. Then blend chopped apple like this. Then pour this mixture in. Then mix it well. And then pour the maida in dry ingredients gradually. Then mix it well. Add little milk if required. Now the batter is ready. Now let's come and cook. For cooking, you have to add vanilla essence for flavor. Then mix it well. Make sure that your pan is in low flame. Then after heating the pan, you have to pour the batter in round shape like this. Just pour it and cook it in 2 minutes. For 2 minutes. You have to pour it in round shape. Do not spread the batter in every side, okay? Flip it over when it is ready to flip. After 2 minutes only you have to flip. Then now the pancake is ready. Now let's take it. Now the pancake is ready. We can have it? Yes. Okay, let's eat it. It's tasty. Try it and subscribe to our channel.